Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Thanks for things. Where you find that linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. Let's rock.
I think it's a decent idea, and I want to make more of these. But in order to do that, I had to go get a new toy. Okay, one little problem. It's too short. The deck is fine. 30 across, nice platform. Anyway, it's too short. So, 16-inch deep on the top of the deck, 32 across, 14 1/8 tall. From the bottom of there's a little plastic pleat on there that I can remove, and it's got 3 screws in there, and I can tie down to what I'm making. Base of at the feet of the legs, tapers down to 30.5, outside to outside, and 16 1/8, outside to outside. It grows, and it loses 1.5 inches. I didn't design it. Anyway, that's too short, so I'm bringing it up to 40. Quick math. 2 foot, 2x4s, 4 of those. 30-ish, that's not 1.5 inch, that's 30-ish inches for those 1x4. And 1x4 is 16 roundabout. And I'm going to make a box, 4 corners, 4 posts, pop, and then screw it to the footings, to the feet of the legs. Caster's always optional. Oh wow, those are fitted. Oh well, I can just pop those off. Tie my board to it. 2x4, 8 foot, white pine. Pulled it out of the back of the car and cut 2 feet off of it. And about 1.5 inches into myself.
been Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.